You'll be shocked by this. The CEO of Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, is turning XRP Ripple owners into millionaires. I know that sounds like total insanity, but this is only the beginning. Since XRP Ripple may prevail in the legal dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission as early as this month, the most positive signs of all time are emerging on a daily basis. For each and every XRP Ripple owner, that video is the most crucial one. You'll be sorry. Let's get right to the point without further ado. Despite the fact that Ripple and Coinbase are both battling legal and regulatory challenges in the US, in New York, the cryptocurrency exchange has resumed trading XRP. Many people view this action as Ripple's latest victory over the Securities and Exchange Commission. The 20 million people who live in New York can now trade XRP, according to Coinbase's chief legal officer Paul Grewal, who shared an article from the X post a few days ago. Since June 2023, Coinbase has been engaged in a legal dispute with the SEC. When the regulator charged the cryptocurrency exchange with operating as a clearing agency and broker without registration with the National Securities Exchange and with neglecting to register the launch of its staking as a service program, after the SEC accused Ripple of selling XRP illegally and raising over $1.3 billion in what the agency claimed was an unregistered securities offering, Coinbase first pulled XRP from its US markets in January 2021. Nevertheless, in July 2023, Judge Analisa Torres determined that although Ripple did not break federal securities law by selling XRP on public exchanges, direct sales to institutional clients did qualify as investment contracts. As a result, the case is still pending. The relisting of and the SEC indicates that big exchanges are prepared to negotiate the unpredictable waters of U.S. regulation and shows a renewed faith in XRP's regulatory status. Regulation of cryptocurrencies. Paul Grewal observed that the decision to relist XRP was done in a solid partnership with the state, suggesting a broader acceptance and possibly a shift in regulatory views towards Ripple and comparable blockchain technologies. There are significant wider ramifications to this action. It seems probable that Coinbase's decision was influenced by Ripple's partial court success. This action might persuade additional exchanges and financial organizations to rethink their minds on XRP, which might result in a wider market recovery for the cryptocurrency. Despite the numerous legal obstacles that Ripple has faced, the company has shown to be resilient. The initial removal of XRP from well-known exchanges like Coinbase significantly affected the cryptocurrency's perception and market value. Nevertheless, in spite of the continuous conflict between the development of cryptocurrencies and established legal frameworks, Ripple has demonstrated its resilience and adaptability through its partial legal success in relisting on Coinbase. Judge Torres' difference between institutional and public purchases of XRP may have an impact on future decisions and regulations. Legislators may be prompted by this case to clarify and improve the rules pertaining to cryptocurrencies, creating a more secure and predictable climate for investment and innovation. One could interpret Coinbase's action as a calculated move for the cryptocurrency market. It reflects the expectation of the sector as a whole for more advantageous regulations, as well as the hope that recent legislative developments could open the door to a more transparent and encouraging regulatory framework. This might result in the U.S. cryptocurrency sector becoming more established and stable. Relisting XRP on Coinbase in New York is a big step forward for Ripple and could be another victory over the SEC. This could have an impact on regulatory frameworks and market dynamics, which is a cautious but encouraging development for the cryptocurrency space. All eyes will be on how these developments play out and what they signify for the future of digital assets in the U.S. while the legal procedures continue. But what is now going on in the Ripple court battle against the SEC? According to experts, the trial might conclude this month. There may be no more positive indicator than this one. Let's solve it together. With advice from legal expert James Murphy, let's examine how perspective changes in U.S. Regulatory leadership can affect the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the SEC. Murphy voiced doubts about reaching a settlement with the SEC given its present course. He outlined the potential ramifications of a change in leadership, adding Murphy's surmise that a new CC leadership could result in major changes, such as the voluntary dismissal of crypto cases that the Gary Gensler administration started in situations where there was no victims. There have been indications lately that the Biden administration is beginning to modify its stance on cryptocurrency. This change is the result of former U.S. President Donald Trump publicly endorsing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, saying, by authorizing a spot Ethereum ETF, Biden's government has demonstrated its more accommodating attitude, considering the prior reluctance to approve crypto ETFs because of worries about investor safety and market volatility. This move is considered as a big step forward. When asked if the Ripple case will be affected by this more accommodating approach, Murphy was cautious to distinguish between changes in policy and legal actions. Judge Torres' position should be unaffected by the Biden administration's recent softening of its attitude on cryptocurrency. The ruling, he said, highlighting the court's independence. He did concede, though, that this might influence the SEC's position in future settlement talks, saying, aside from X, strategic considerations for Ripple were also discussed. A user made the argument that, considering the uncertainty surrounding future administrations, settling could be wise. Murphy said the implications of potential shifts in regulatory leadership are crucial. As the legal battle continues, he acknowledged the soundness of this cautious approach, but he remained impartial. Not only is Ripple's relisting of XRP on Coinbase in New York a significant milestone, it also suggests a possible shift in the direction of the Bitcoin industry as a whole. If new leadership brings with it more progressive approaches to regulation, Ripple and other cryptocurrency companies may find themselves operating in a more advantageous climate. In the end, this might have an impact on regulatory frameworks, market dynamics, and the prospects for digital assets in the US. We have been anticipating this announcement for a while, and it goes without saying that the experts could disregard such a positive indication. Experts have long predicted that this month's price of XRP Ripple will surpass its all-time high. The number of XRP coins required to earn your first $1 million has been the subject of speculation. You just must not miss this. Investors in XRP today may be able to anticipate profits of up to 600% if the price of the coin drops to about $4. This week, XRP has received some encouraging comments, but its price has stayed steady at $0.53, expanding to the 30-day time frame. With only 2% gain, XRP is still hovering around the $0.50. Advocates, though, never waver in their belief in the asset's capacity for forceful movement. In light of this, a well-known XRP analyst recently described what XRP holders of profit target might expect in the event that the $3.84 four-time high is reclaimed. Specifically, this analysis illustrates possible returns for wallets with 5,300,000 XRP in the event that the value eventually rises by 618% to over $4. As of right now, investors aiming to purchase 5,000 XRP may only need to shell out $2,673 due to the token's current value of approximately $0.53. This investment would be worth almost $19,000 if the price rises to its all-time high, making a profit of more than $16,000. In the same vein, someone investing $21,000 to purchase 40,000 XRP today may see their money soar to approximately $153,000 should XRP reach its previous high. A comparable remarkable yield is applicable to investors who currently possess 80,000 XRP Ripple coins. In particular, the 80,000 XRP portfolio, which currently costs a reasonable $42,700, is expected to be worth $307,000. Notably, wallets with between 150,000 and 300,000 XRP currently could become millionaires if XRP hits its earlier top in the market. Right present, it would cost more than $80,000 to obtain 150,000 XRP. Under the same circumstances, the value of this investment today would exceed $1 million. Many cryptocurrencies are predicted to follow Bitcoin's lead and eclipse past highs this cycle as the bull market resumes. But XRP is one of the assets that has been sitting on the sidelines for a long time, maintaining a record high set 6 years prior. Given the sustained underperformance, market analysts contend that XRP has a strong chance of breaking out from its all-time high of $3.84 for the near future and hitting double-digit price levels such as $20. XRP's recent performance has not supported this bullish view, despite these optimistic expectations. What are your thoughts on that? That is the only question left. Do you think XRP Ripple will rise? Which predictions do you have? Tell me in the space provided for comments. I'd be interested to know. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. I appreciate you seeing. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment with your questions or comments, and hit the like button if you found the information helpful and enjoyable.